Hey friends, join me as we recreate this beautiful two-piece set. It's a beautiful top and high-low skirt for a 6-year-old girl. It is a perfect summer outfit inspiration or any casual outing. This tutorial is very beginners friendly and easy to follow. So if you're interested to recreate this, let's begin. So we begin with making the skirt, and this piece of fabric right here is for the front part of the skirt. The length is 9 inches while the wideness is 21 inches. Fabric piece for back part. Length is 15 inches. Width is 21 inches. So because the front length is 9 inches, we are going to be covering the side to be 9 inches. I'll come down by 9 inches. I'll join the side. I'll stop somewhere here. I'll not join it to the end so that it will be easy to fix the gathered part. I've joined the sides of the skirt. Now we are going to take measurements of the lower part. I'll start from here. So I got 47. I'm going to cut a strip of fabric that is double of 47 and then gather it. Here is the gathered part. I cut this at 7 inches long and then folded the hem and then gathered it to be the same 47. So now I'll go and attach it to the skirt. If you're struggling with knowing the right measurements to use to make your kiddies outfit, how to calculate your fabrics, or remembering important sewing formulas, I have created something to make your sewing journey very easy. My sewing handbook contains a complete standard children's size chart for ages 0 to 10, and all the measurements are written both in cm and inches. The handbook also contains body measurement guides, sewing tips, professional finishing techniques, fabric selection tips, costing guides, and other practical references that you can always go to whenever you want to make kiddies outfits instead of going online to search for videos that will leave you confused. So whether you're a beginner or you've been sewing for a while, the handbook will help you to save time, reduce mistakes, and give you more confidence when making kiddies outfits. Grab a copy now at my launch price offer of just $3,999 before price increases. Check the link in the description or in the pinned comment for further payment details. The skirt is completed. Now let's move over to the making of the top. These two pieces of fabric are for the top. The length is 13 inches and the wideness is 15 inches for each of the fabric pieces right here. So first I start by folding the top part and the bottom part of the fabric pieces. Because the fabric pieces are wider than her normal chest circumference, we will be reducing it with an elastic of 10 inches long each. So I'll stitch the elastic on the top part and the lower part of these fabric pieces to create a smoky effect. Now while stitching the elastic on the fabric, you need to stretch it out for it to cover the entire fabric. If you're still struggling with the foundational core knowledge of how to make kiddies outfits professionally and neatly, my sewing online kiddies class is available for you. In that class, I have created a very specific and detailed tutorials that will help you to create 4 beautiful kiddies outfits from scratch. Whether you're a beginner or you've been sewing before, this foundation is what you need to strengthen your core beginners level. Classes begin on the 20th of this July and it is for just 10,000 naira. It is a pre-recorded class, which means you can always learn at your pace and there is room to ask me specific questions where and when you feel confused. For more inquiries and registration, check the link in my description to chat me on WhatsApp. I can't wait to have you in class.